Hi friends, welcome to Ultra Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 43-inch Impex LED TV. Here you can see this is the model number. Here in this TV, this is the motherboard. It's a 43-inch Android Smart TV. And this is the panel scaler board. In this TV, the fault is backlight related issue. Here actual fault is not displayed due to backlight. See friends, there are total 3 strips, LED strips in this TV. It's a 6 volt LED strip. Here each individual LED is of 6 volt. In this, here you can see one of the LED strip is fault and which is causing the no display issue in this TV. And the rest of other 2 LEDs are working properly. See friends. See friends, only among these 3, only one of the LED strip is fault. So instead of replacing the damaged one, here we are going to replace the entire LED strip with a new one to avoid future repetition in backlight related faults. So now let us remove this old faulty LED strip from this TV and install this new one. These are the 3 new LED strips that are going to install. To avoid future repetition in backlight related complaints, this is the only solution. Always try to replace the entire LED strip with a new one. See friends, here finally we fixed the 3 new LED strip. Now we can put the panel diffuser sheet, panel frame and the panel back to the TV. See friends, finally here we now fixed the panel, motherboard and all sockets, LVDS cable, everything back to the TV. Now we can power on the TV and check the picture. So now let us connect the AC cord. Now the TV is turned on. Now let us check the picture. See friends, here you can see now the backlight comes and the TV is working properly. See friends, so now the TV repairing is successful and this TV is successfully repaired. It's a smart TV 43-inch. So now we can put the back cover and all screws back to the TV. See friends, here you can see finally now the TV is working properly. After changing the backlight, we need to adjust the backlight level. We need to keep the backlight level minimum 40% to maximum of 70% for getting better lifetime for the LED backlight. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.